Welcome back. It's that time of year when everyone's thinking about health goals, and diets are at the top of the list. With so much conflicting info out there, it's tough to know what really works. Today, we're cutting through the noise and breaking down the top 3 diet trends for 2025. Keto, Mediterranean, and plant-based. We'll look at the real science, who they help, and who should avoid them. Ready to find the best fit for you? Let's dive in. First up, the keto diet. High fat, very low carb. The idea: cut carbs drastically so your body burns fat for fuel, entering ketosis. Research shows keto can help with quick weight loss and may improve blood sugar for some with type 2 diabetes. It's also used medically for epilepsy. But keto isn't just bacon and butter. Healthy fats like avocados and olive oil matter. Cutting out fruits, grains, and many veggies can lead to nutrient gaps and side effects like keto flu. It's not for everyone. People with kidney issues or certain conditions should avoid it. Long-term effects on heart health are still debated, especially with increased LDL cholesterol. If you try keto, do it with medical supervision and careful planning. It's a strict, short-term tool for some, not a lifestyle for most. Don't follow trends blindly. Know the risks. Let's move on to a more flexible approach. Next, the Mediterranean diet. Less a diet, more a way of eating. Inspired by Greece, Italy, and Spain, it's built on fruits, veggies, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and olive oil. Fish and seafood are regulars, red meat is rare. Studies show it's one of the best for heart health, lowering risk of heart attack, stroke, and chronic disease. It's also linked to lower rates of diabetes, cancer, and even Alzheimer's. The focus is on whole, unprocessed foods and enjoying meals, no strict rules or food bans. The main challenge? Shifting away from processed foods and red meat. It's a delicious, sustainable way to eat for long-term health. Now, the plant-based diet, centered on foods from plants but not always 100% vegan. Most of your plate is fruits, veggies, grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Some include small amounts of animal products. The goal: maximize nutrients and fiber, minimize processed foods, and animal products. Plant-based diets are linked to lower cholesterol, blood pressure, and heart disease risk. They're also great for blood sugar and longevity. Think blue zones. But you need to plan. Vegans must supplement B12 and watch for iron, calcium, and omega-3s. It's not just about health. Eating more plants helps the planet by reducing your environmental footprint. Avoid the junk food vegan trap. Focus on whole foods. Plant-based eating is adaptable, powerful, and evidence-backed. Let's wrap up with how to choose what's right for you. So, keto, Mediterranean, or plant-based, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. Keto is strict and medical. Mediterranean is flexible and proven. Plant-based is great for health and the planet, but needs planning. The best diet is one you enjoy, can stick with, and supports your health goals. Talk to your doctor before making big changes. Focus on whole, minimally processed foods and consistency over perfection. Let us know which approach speaks to you, and stay tuned for more wellness tips.